Hello everyone, and welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to clear your chat history on ChatGPT in just a few seconds. But before we start, if you are new to my channel, make sure to follow it and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated on the new tutorials I post. So at the very beginning, open your browser and log into your ChatGPT account. Once the main screen loads, in the top left corner, you will see two lines. Tap on them, and this will open a menu with options and your chats. At the bottom of the screen, you will see your profile icon with your name. Tap on it, and then in the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, the next thing you need to do is find the Data Controls section and tap on it. Once you do that, a menu with options within the Data Controls section will open. There, find the Delete All Chats option and then tap on the Delete All button. Immediately after that, in the pop-up window that appears, tap on Confirm Deletions. Once you have done that, your chat history will be completely cleared, and you can start fresh with a clean slate in ChatGPT. And that's all for this short video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.